Good morning, welcome to Paris day 3. Today we are going to the Luxembourg Gardens. Well, right now that's where we're heading. We're going to walk there. It's about a 50-minute walk from our hotel.
Actually we're going to go to Pont-Neuf first because it's more en route.
Hey, one thing to watch out for in Paris, these women walking around with clipboards and they say, do you speak English? When you say yes, they ask you to just sign their clipboard, not really explaining what it is. If you sign it, then they ask you for a donation. And if you don't say that you've got, and if you don't give them money, then they get really annoyed at you. Did you get it? Is it a good shot?
I don't know really. It's massively overexposed.
Good.
Yellow and yellow.
This is my favourite so far. How cute! Look at that one. This is Lawrence's favourite. The ugliest one ever.
It's got character.
I've gone for a Cobb salad. It looks good. Lawrence has gone for a club sandwich, which also looks really, really good.
There's no way I'm going to finish with that.
Came round this corner and we got the Pantheon in front of us. What doesn't come across on video is just how humid it is right now. Such a cloudy day, but it's so hot, and we are flagging because we didn't get coffee at the last place because the service was so slow, and we're like, it's fine, we'll just get a coffee at the next place. Chocolate shop, just deciding what to get. Oh, so good. What are you thinking?
I like that one.
What one? I want that one.
Like chocolate scissors.
So we purchased like a range of truffles. So we've got like gingery ones, honey,
cherry, something, salted caramel I think, cherry, ginger. And Grand Mariner, the blue one.
And then I got these orangey rinds covered in chocolate, which just look really good. I've gone for the grilled salmon. Got some mash. Rex has gone for steak again. This is a steak fiend. Wow. Can you tell what this is? Gone for profiteroles. Swimming in chocolate. And Lawrence has gone for... I think I win. That was the best meal we've had in Paris so far, I think. Really good, would recommend. And we were the only ones in there, so I was a bit worried. You know when you walk into a restaurant and you're like, why are we the only ones in here? Should we be worried? But yeah, we are off now back to the hotel and sleep. And I'll see you tomorrow for another day. We are off to Fontainebleau. So heading out of Paris again. It looks really nice there, I'm excited. See you tomorrow!
I don't want to.
What do you want?